Hi guys, it's Alicia. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Me and Sissy are hitting the town, if you will. We just got some stuff at a estate sale, and now we're at a Oddities Artisans gift shop, so let's go.
She's throwing it back, bro.
The mushroom? Oh, she is. Look at her. Goodbye. That place was awesome. A little bit of everything. Ooh. Ooh, vintage. Ooh. Sidewalk sale?
They're closed.
No. Why? Why is everything closed on Sunday? Some people have jobs.
Some people have jobs. Oh my gosh, Pookie's gonna love this.
That's fine. We just finished at Black Sheep. I got some rings. I got this one. Sorry, I'm flipping you off. Then I got this spoon ring. This is my bag. She was so nice, and the shop was so cool.
This smells really good.
Shows the vlog. We both got air fresheners. So I got a mystery. Oh, it does smell really good.
Right?
I got 2 mystery bags. This one's stickers. It comes with 10 stickers, and it was $3, so. And everything in there is like spooky vibes, so I'm assuming these are gonna be like spooky stickers.
Okay.
Imagine they're not. They're like, plant mom.
Oops. I'm happy about this too.
Ooh, they're cool. Okay. We got this sticker.
Those are so cute.
We got this sticker. Oh my god. Little skeleton. Little axolotl. A freaking
so
sloth. A spooky, it's a spooky witch crab. Aww.
That's so cool.
Little chipmunk, I think. An eyeball.
It's a squirrel.
A moth. And a pirate duck. Oh my god, he's so cute.
And I'm gonna open my mystery bag.
I got one of those too, but you open yours first.
Oh my god!
He's so cute.
It's a frog ghost.
That's adorable.
Wait, he's so cute.
I hope I got a good one.
I want to put him like up here.
I got an octopus ghost.
Let me see.
He's really cute.
He's really cute.
Oh yay.
I need to get some like tape.
I know.
Him up here. He's such a vibe.
I also got a air freshener that says "Don't be a salty bitch," and then I got this American Psycho lighter, which is really cool. So we love that.
And I got this magnetic bookmark.
It's so cute.
For my Pookie, who loves pigs. And he's crying, cause same. Look at the feet.
Aww, I know, the feet are so funny. So yeah. Trying to get the water. How pretty.
This side too.
And then there's
Now we're in
Dollar
Niagara
Tree.
County.
Dollar Tree, everyone. You can't miss it.
I like how I said Niagara County, you said Dollar Tree. That's a big ass sign.
I know. We're going to church on a... Well, no, that's not the door. It's over here.
Oh.
We're going to church on a Sunday, except it's a shopping church. Hee hee.
The fifth place is really cool.
Yes, I want to go here. Ooh, this is cool. Yes, I'm happy. Yes, I have a problem.
Those are cute. These are the ones. Where'd you go?
I'm over here. her. Melina found me this owl ring and I didn't like it.
She goes,
but
I don't like it.
but then I was like, wait,
This is actually cool.
so I'm gonna get this. This is so cute. And I've been crop dusting.
Yeah, in this corner. It's disgusting.
Dude, look at how cool this is. This booth is really cute. I will give it up to whoever put this together because they really ate.
And look what you did by this one. Oh, look, they have owl earrings.
Oh, really? Whoa, these are cool. Look at this hairbrush. Nothing.
Should I get these?
Yeah.
I wish they weren't gold, but
You can mix metals. I do it.
cute.
Yeah. Well, hold on to them. Maybe you'll find something better. Perhaps.
Like, I wish they had it in silver, but they don't.
There's a lot to look at in here, so I think I'm gonna keep going without her.
Wait.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Look at these sassy ass cats. It reminds me of the audio. It's like, who are you? The Click. That's who they are. This is also kind of cool. The Click. That's the Click. Oh look, Melina, more rings. And pretty people reading books.
And popcorn.
Are you looking hard enough?
No.
And love.
Just
And he's giving bondage. Oh my god, I almost fell. 15. That's not bad. That looks vintage, girl. Grab it.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a bottle.
It had like bath soap in here. Oh
Wow.
my gosh, he's only I like him, but
I like him too.
I'm gonna put him back.
Okay. I like him. I literally just bought one of those. Right there to your left. Oh, that's cute. Avocado cat. I want to see how this looks.
It's a nice jacket.
It's so small. I don't like it.
It's really small.
It's really small. But it's really cute.
Again, the people deserve to get paid for
Like, that's so cute. Guys, look at what I found. Obsessed.
I'll fall through the floor if it fucking breaks.
She's scared. This is our point of view. It's a little lopsided, so she's scared, so we're gonna go down. One beluga whale is crazy. Ooh!
Betty.
Guys, so when we were at the church, we had a paranormal encounter. And the camera stopped working. And there was a ghost.
The flash wouldn't go off.
The flash stopped going off, and it was like taking pictures of the wall.
Maybe the ghost was the beluga whale, and it got mad, so it turned the flash off. Then when
Smiski opening. I've never gotten a Smiski, so I'm really excited, and I think they're all really cute, but there's some that are cuter than others, so let's just open it and find out.
Oh my gosh. That one's really cute. I kind of like it.
Yeah, he's cute.
I like that one.
I'll put him on my phone. Thank you, Pookie.